All right, guys, we're going to introduce multiplication today. So we're going to start with a little song that talks about what multiplication is and listen to what it says about multiplying with 0 and multiplying with 1, okay?
Yo, we will teach you to multiply. You will learn all you have to do is try. Just hang with us and perform these rhymes. Soon you'll know how to do your time. Yo, I'm the one that you take up from. I got all the facts, all that is taught. The next smart dude will help me along. We're the next step in, so you can't go wrong. You know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can. Let me explain the way that the answers get in your brain with the DJ. Say it back so fast. It would be fun, you'd be having a blast. When you first said the answers, he doesn't wait. The second time he does, but don't hesitate. When you get real good and you do it too, and try to get the DJ practice hard, you can do it. You know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can, you know you can learn, you know you can, you know you can learn.
My name is Capital C. I can learn if the greatest you will see. But before the fact is something fun, I can multiply by 0 and 1. Any number times 0 always equals 0. Any number times 1 equals that same number. I say any number times 0
always equals 0. Any number times 1 is that same number, okay? So 2 times 0 is what?
0.
Is 0. Very good. And 3 times 0 is what?
0.
0 times 4 is?
0.
0. Very good. 1 times 2?
2.
Very good. 1 times 4?
4.
4. Because remember, any number times 1 is the number. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Very good. We're going to go over just a little bit of the vocabulary, and then we're going to do some exercises that'll be really fun using our egg cartons, okay? All right. Repeated addition. You guys remember this from 2nd grade, okay? You know that is when you have 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what? 6. That's the sum of those numbers. But we would write that multiplication, we would say 2 times 3, because you have 3 2's, right? 1, 2, 3 equals 6. You also can say 1, 2, 3 2's. 3 times 2 equals 6. That's part of our fact families, right?
Yes.
That they are the same. You can write it either way, and it equals the same answer, okay? Multiplied by, we know what that means. That means that we're multiplying 2 factors, okay? And that's one of our words right here is factors. That's what we are multiplying by. The numbers we're multiplying by. And product. Remember in addition, the answer is the sum. In multiplication, it's called the product. So that is the answer to our multiplication problems is the product. All right, so that's, and we're going to talk about arrays too, but we're going to wait and do that when we do a worksheet. So we're going to go ahead and do some exercises with our egg cartons because that's going to be really, really fun.
Fun, fun, funny. Fun, funny, fun, fun.
I just hit one. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. Okay, come on. All right. Okay, guys. I want everybody to show me 2 sets of 2 in your egg carton using your pom-poms. Those are those little things in the baggie. 2 sets of 2.
What says?
2 sets of 2. 2 groups. How about 2 groups? of 2.
So, 1, 2, and these 2 and the other 2?
2 groups of 2. Only 2 groups of 2. Who wants to come up and show me on the board what they think 2 groups of 2 would look like? Tate, why don't you come up and show me? Can you draw me a picture of what 2 groups of 2 would look like?
This one
You could either do that with just, if you want to do circles instead, like do some circles, and instead of having to draw the egg carton, you want to do that for me? And so you don't have to do all that? Okay. Yeah, that's great though, that you're gonna do that. You can show me your egg carton in just a minute. Okay, can you draw some circles and just show me what 2 sets of 2 would look like? There you go. Very good. Thank you, Tate. So Tate did 2 groups of 2. And in his egg carton, that's what he showed, was 2 groups of 2. Good job, Tate. Thank you very much. Does anybody else have their 2 groups of 2 in the egg carton? You need 2 groups of 2. See how you put 2 inside each circle?
Oh,
So you would have to have 2 together inside of each circle. Good job. Good job, Jade. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Y'all did great. That's really good. Does it matter what holes in the egg carton they go in?
No.
No, as long as you have 2 together inside of 2 holes, okay? Can somebody come up here and show me what the repeated addition is on this one?
Wait. Oh.
Can you do it? Yes, it is.
Oh, no, what it is.
Okay, so show me what that would be right here for this one. Yes, very good. And can you show me the answer? Okay, and what is the answer then? 2 times 2, what's the product for that one? Which is the answer? The same as this, right? There we go. Very good, thank you very much. All right, good job. All right, we're gonna do a different one. Let's try this time 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2, or 3 sets of 2. Did you get it? Good. Bryn, why don't you come up here and write the equation for me this time? Write the sentence, multiplication sentence, or represent the multiplication sentence. 3 sets of 2. Well, it'll be 3, but it's 3 sets of 2. That's the last sentence. Well, I want that, but I also want you to write a multiplication sentence. Can you do the multiplication sentence first? Okay.
You don't have to do this.
Now, you can do the picture form if you want first, now, but you can add it together if you want to. Okay? Very good. So what is the product of that? Very good. Can you do it in repeated addition as well? Wait, how many is inside the circles? Right, so how many is this? 2, right? 2. So 1 here. Wait, how many 2s do you need to make that? How many 2s? This tells you how many. How many did you have? Wait, hold on. How many groups did you have? Yes. So how many 2s do you need? 2 plus what equals this? This repeated addition. Very good. You did it. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna use one more strategy. Push your egg cartons to the side, just put them out of the way, and we're gonna get our number line. And you're gonna use that dry erase marker you have on your table. Not your pencil. That's right. This will come off. We can wipe it off later. And don't worry about wiping it off. We'll wipe it off later, okay? All right, let's start at 0, and we're going to skip count, okay? We're going to do the same problem on our number line. So if we start on 0, everybody on your number line, with your dry erase marker, on your number line, start at 0. We're going to skip 1, right?
Yes.
And go all the way to 2.
Oh.
One that works, this one would work. Let's use this. We're going to go from 0 to 2, and then from 2 to 4, and then 4 to 6. And how do I know to stop there? Because we have three groups of 2. So we're going 1, 2, 3. And when you stop on your third one, that is 6, isn't it? 2, 4, 6. We had 3 groups of 2. And 3 times 2 then equals the product of 6. Alright? Just leave your number line. We're going to add to it in a minute. Can somebody show me, or does somebody want to come up and work the next one? We're going to do 5 groups of 2. In fact, I'm going to let somebody write that one too. You want to do it? And the rest of you can do it in your A card. 5 groups of 2. Good job. Okay, now can you write the multiplication sentence or represent it in a multiplication problem? And you count those dots inside the group. Very good. Now can you do addition
The office ready to go. Abby Martin to the office ready to go, please.
2? So you're going to 2, how many times? No. 2 plus, there you go. Plus, there you go. Equals. You got it. You got 5 of them. Equals 10. Good job. All right, now let's take our number line. You did it inside your carton, right? Now let's do our number line all the way to 10. Everybody, we'll keep going. We'll go right over top of the one you did. It's okay. Ready? 0 to 2 to 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, hold on. Let's start on 0. We're going to go 1. The first one goes all the way to 2. 2 goes to 4. 3 goes to 6. 4 goes to 8. And 5 goes to 10 because we're doing 5 sets of 2. You're counting by 2s all the way to 10. That's for those of you who don't know how to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's okay if you don't know how to do that. You can skip count on your number line. Okay? Good job, guys.
Are we going to do another one?
We are going to go ahead and do a song to practice our 2s, and then we're going to work on our worksheet.
Can we make ice cream?
Okay, you ready? Everybody can stand up for this one. Let's stand up and take a break and go for the song. It's an awesome song. Stand up. You need a break. This time of day, y'all need to get up to do this.
After this,
I want everybody listening to the song. We're going to do this together, okay? So don't worry about your manipulatives on your desk, okay?
I've been working really hard, working almost every day, trying to learn these math facts good